Imagine you're in Italy. You're standing in a small piazza, gelato in hand, watching life line itself up neatly, not in numbers but in order, because Italians don't just count. They rank, they sequence, they see who came first, who arrived late, and which espresso is definitely the second of the day. Welcome to ordinal numbers in Italian. Ordinal numbers answer one simple question: in what order? Not how many, but which position. In English, first, second, third. In Italian, primo, secondo, terzo. And from this moment on, numbers stop standing in a queue and start telling stories. Let's meet the main characters. Primo, secondo, terzo, quarto, quinto, sesto, settimo, ottavo, nono, decimo. They sound elegant because they are. Italian loves order with style. From 11th onwards comes the magic trick. Most ordinal numbers are formed like this. You take the cardinal number, remove the final vowel, add esimo. For example, 13, tredicesimo, 24, ventiquattresimo, 77, settantasettesimo. But the last vowel of 23, 23, 33, 33, and 43, etc., being a stressed vowel, is not omitted. 23, ventitreesimo, 33, trentatreesimo. Ordinal numbers behave like adjectives. They agree in gender and number with a noun. Il primo giorno, la prima volta, I primi mesi, le seconde case. Same word, different outfit. Italians dress everything properly. Ordinal numbers love history. Centuries are always ordinal numbers. Il primo secolo, il XX secolo. And there is one special rebel in dates. Il primo maggio. All other days use cardinal numbers, but primo insists on being special, so you only use primo for the first day of the month. Italy takes ranking seriously. Sono arrivato primo. Lei è seconda nella gara. And of course, il secondo posto non basta. Drama included. Ordinals help Italians organize life. Il primo capitolo, il secondo piano, la terza fermata. Without ordinal numbers, Italians would still be on the wrong train. Oggi iniziamo con il primo esercizio. E il secondo è difficile? Il terzo è peggio. Education in Italy, hope, then disappointment. E il secondo caffè oggi? No, è il terzo. Allora il quarto è gratis. Probably not true, but we can dream. L'appartamento è al terzo piano. Senza ascensore? Esatto. Silence speaks all languages. Some ordinal numbers describe order in time. Per prima cosa, first of all. In secondo luogo, secondly. Per ultimo, lastly. Perfect for arguments, presentations, and winning debates politely. So now you know how to form ordinal numbers, how they agree, when to use them, and how Italians quietly judge everything by position. From the prima volta to the ultimo capitolo, ordinal numbers give structure to Italian life. And remember, In Italy, being secondo is acceptable, but everyone secretly wants to be primo. If this video helped you put Italian in order, give it a like, subscribe for more clear and cultural Italian lessons, and share it with someone who's still stuck on the secondo piano. Because learning a language is a journey, and this might just be your primo passo.